Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to charge the Logitech G Pro X wireless headset, step by step. So what you will need, your Logitech G Pro X wireless headset, the included USB-C charging cable, a USB port from your PC, laptop, or a wall adapter, then step-by-step instructions. Step 1, power off the headset. It's optional. While not strictly necessary, turning off the headset while charging may help it charge a bit faster. Step 2, plug the USB-C end into the headset. Locate the USB-C port on the left ear cup. Plug the USB-C connector of the cable into the port. Step 3, plug the USB-A end into a power source. Insert the other end, USB-A, into a USB port on your computer, a USB wall adapter, or a powered USB hub. Step 4, check the charging indicator. A small LED light near the USB-C port will turn amber or orange to indicate charging. When it turns white, the headset is fully charged. Step 5, let it charge fully. A full charge typically takes around 2 to 3 hours from 0% to 100%. Extra tips, you can use the headset while it's charging, though battery charging may slow down. Avoid using unofficial cables or very low powered USB ports. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.